Hi my loves, welcome back to your channel. My name is Taminique if you guys are new here, and we're not even gonna do a super long intro, y'all, because I've been waiting all day to open this package. So let's open this package.
Save your tears, honey. You're a mother diva.
Okay guys, so before we open it, I wanted to let you guys know that I did get my computer from QVC. If you guys don't know what QVC is, it is an amazing website. They offer so much stuff on there, but what makes the website like top tier is that you can make monthly payments on your item. If you don't have like the funds to buy it completely in full, you can make monthly payments, but they will ship you your item right then and there. You don't have to wait until you pay your item in full. They will ship your item right then and there. I got my computer today, which is Thursday, and I ordered it last Friday. So a little less than a week. But y'all, let's get into it because I've been waiting all day to open this. I've been waiting all day. So let me scoot back so y'all can like see me open it. Ooh. Or let me do this side. Ooh. I'm so excited, y'all. My other computer broke and I was through. Okay, so this is what is in here. So we got a laptop master kit. It comes with a mouse, a wireless mouse, a USB port, an extension cable, and a mouse pad. But I will probably not use that. I don't know what that is. Oh, the software stuff. Oh, we get free software, some type of software. This is why I like order from QVC, because you guys get all type of accessories versus if you order with Apple, you don't get no accessories and you don't get the option to make monthly payments. Y'all better get hip to QVC, y'all. This is the laptop case, I'm pretty sure. This is the laptop case. This is the clear case it comes with, which is good because I didn't think I was gonna like it. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, I got another MacBook. This is the MacBook Air. I got the 2020 MacBook Air. The last MacBook I had was the Pro, so I'm kind of excited to see the difference in them. My sister has the Air, so I know it's like lighter than the one that I have, but y'all, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, y'all. So let's open it. Let's get nice little ASMR moment going. I'm so scared. I'm so scared to open her. I don't even want to open her, y'all. I'm terrified. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can I do it this way? Or let's do it this way. I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. I'm clumsy like that. And it's still not coming out. Okay, come on now. Y'all, she is so pretty. I got the rose. No, I got gold, but this looks rose gold to me though. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna drop her. Okay, so they got this. I never really open this because I never know what that is. Then they got the box, and then the actual charger cable. I think that's all that's in here. I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be nothing else in here. Yeah, that's all. Oh my god, y'all, she is gorgeous. What do I want to name her? I low-key want to name her Layla. I feel like this is a Layla. We're gonna name her Layla, y'all. Layla. Let's take this off. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at her. She is gorgeous. Girl, don't play with Layla. This is light compared to my MacBook Pro. Like this is light. This is real light. Okay, let's open her. Girl, how do you open her? She don't even want to open. Open for mommy. Oh my gosh. Oh, she turned on by herself. Period. This is so. Oh, she smell new. She smell brand spanking new. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is so cute. Y'all, I'm not a tech channel, so if y'all want to know like the process and stuff about all that stuff, I would not know how to do it. So I'm gonna quickly set this up and then we're gonna come right back. Okay, so I completely forgot that I was showing you guys how I kind of customized my computer. So I already went ahead and downloaded Google Chrome. I like Google Chrome instead of Safari, so I just use Google Chrome instead. I'm just gonna bring it onto the dock really quick and open it up. And right now, what we're about to do is don't allow, set Google Chrome. There we go. Do you want to change your use Chrome instead? I'll log in later. But what we're gonna do is download this Fliqlo. It is so stinking cute, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this on everybody's Screensaver. What is the cutest thing? This clock right here. It is so cute. Every time somebody sees my computer and it's on this, they're like, that is the cutest thing in the world. Hurry up and scroll down. Girl, that is not it. It's a pop-up block. Okay. Why is it not going? There we go. I'm gonna scroll down to the Mac version. Close, and there it is. Open when done. And then it's gonna open, and I'm gonna just minimize that real quick. Minimize that. And to make it your screensaver, I'm the wrong thing. And I went to the wrong thing. There it goes. So here it is. And that's the screensaver one, and it's gonna start after 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna exit out of that, and put this in the trash. Then also another thing that I want on my computer is Keynote. So I'm gonna download Keynote from the App Store. Oh, it's already on here, y'all. I'm going nuts. Create a presentation. Well, not right now. Cancel. Quit. And then I like to have iMovie in my dock. So I'm going to bring iMovie down and take pages out. Remove from dock. I don't do numbers. I don't use a lot of these, but for the sake of the video, I'll just leave them up really quickly. I'll delete them afterwards. Close this out because I don't need that anymore. Another thing that we're gonna use is Rakuten. I want to download the Rakuten on my desktop. It should let me download the extension. I think I have to sign it in. I think I have to sign it. If you guys don't know what Rakuten is, y'all, you just get cash back for shopping at some websites. And then now it is installed, so we're gonna exit out of that. I think that's the only other. Oh, Grammarly. I need Grammarly too, and Grammarly is gonna be the last extension that we install. You guys, I'm so sorry. I don't really customize my laptop how some other people do. I just like the basics on my laptop. I'm so sorry if y'all thought this was gonna be that kind of video to get. Okay, and Grammarly is installed. I'm not gonna log in right now. That's gonna take up too much time. But I'm pretty sure that's all that I need from this. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This video was all over the place because I completely forgot how to customize my computer and add the stuff that I wanted. If you guys want to see a video of me comparing my new MacBook Air to my old MacBook Pro, just let me know in the comments and I will definitely make a video about that. But if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next one.